It was a bitch of a night as the rain fell in the shadows. Seconds turned to minutes, and minutes turned to hours as I made my way through a bottle of whiskey to see the night through. She was the one who would change everything. The one who would remove me from the coma I had been in since the day she passed. Her presence changed me, as she prized me from the hell I had been in for so long. Then she appeared. The outline of her figure teased me as I watched. For a moment, I forgot the past, Elizabeth, and who I used to be.
I let myself in.
Her hair curled perfectly as it rested on her shoulders. Dark eyes stared at me as I watched in amazement. Her lips red. A figure of perfection. What can I do for you? A voice so soft it could bring a man to his knees.
I'd like to report a murder.